Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stripe dashboard for secure webhooks and keys. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type stripe.com into the address bar and press enter. Once the Stripe homepage loads, look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button to be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Stripe will send you a magic link to your email. Check your inbox for an email from Stripe. Open the email and click on the login link provided. This will redirect you back to the Stripe dashboard automatically. If prompted, provide your two-factor authentication code for added security. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Navigating to the Developers section will help you manage your webhooks. Look for the Webhooks option in the left sidebar. Click on Webhooks to view your current webhook endpoints. To generate keys, navigate back to the Developers section. Select API keys from the drop-down menu. You will see your publishable and secret keys listed. Keep this information secure and do not share it publicly. Make sure your webhooks are also correctly configured in the respective section. Review all your settings to ensure they align with your security protocols. Log out after completing your tasks to maintain your account's security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.